Boom! What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger. You know, yo, that mafia. Hey, you see what I'm going, yo? It's been a minute. It's been a little minute, ain't it? Yeah, man. It's been a little minute since we reacted to the bad Juvie himself, Mr. We Are Going to Die, Mr. Father, Mr. Hey, you don't know what I talk about. Yeah, man. Pablo YG, man. A long time we're not reacting on from the bad Juvie. It's been a minute since he dropped any songs, you know what I'm saying, our videos. And I think it's because he just dropped his album, so he probably like one of the songs off his album to like circulate a bit, you know what I'm saying. And I think yesterday he dropped a song entitled Feelings, and I believe this is also off the album as well, you know what I'm saying. And I think this is one of the songs that I said he should shoot a video for. I can't remember, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, he just dropped the project, gang. If you haven't seen me react to it, make sure you go check it out, and also make sure you check out the album. The album is dope. You know what I'm saying? Young Youth Nigeria did a pretty good job for his first project. Really good job for his first project. You know what I'm saying? I think this is one of the songs that I said deserve a video as well as Die. He did Die, and I think he's doing this one now. So good job on good job on Pablo's part and his team. They're making the videos for the right songs, you know what I'm saying, and they're trying to push the songs that should be pushed, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to them. But really dope and solid project, man. We're gonna check out the video today. This is gonna be exciting because this song is a really dope track, you know what I'm saying. I think if it's the right one, I think it is, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, and we're gonna check out the video and see what that I deal with, man. Before we jump in the track, guys, make sure you check out the description, man. Link in the description. Check out the Discord, man. We're lit over there, man. You want to be a part of that, you know what I'm saying, gang? You can talk to me directly, send me videos, all that good stuff on Discord. So come on, man, we'll lead over. Come on, get over to the Discord. What you waiting on? It's totally free, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, today we got the bad Juvie himself, the bad Juvie in town, Pablo YG, the one named Feelings. Well, check it out and swear dog I deal with. Let's get it.
YG, badness,
I lie. YG, badness, I lie. Dog pop belly though. Yeah, man. That whole Louis out from Louis. That Louis out from head to toe. Ain't it? I'm to them, Pablo. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Louis down from head to toe. I'm to them, Pablo. No one never doing great job, you know. No one never, you know, every video doing from out there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, you know. Clean and out. Yeah, man, dog do him thing, man. I want to spliff, man. I'm to you. Yeah, man, dog life up and down, life changes, you know, man. Yeah, man, dog supposed to feel good out in himself as I look you to do him thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, shout out to you, dog. Come on. Yeah, man, bop. Yeah, man. This is definitely the song, bro. This song definitely deserve a video. Tell Pablo to stay far from me. Tell feelings me I work with energy. Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, that song is bad, bro. I remember when we reacted to this one. This is definitely one of the dope track. And definitely this one definitely deserve a video, man. Shout out to Pablo. Come on, let's get it.
Every day I the same catch calic when I road ya. Ever firm stay solid, I'm a soldier. I feel learn I'm a pay for the code ya. No fear guns out when the coast.
Man say every day I the same catch calic on the road ya. Stay firm, stay solid, I'm a soldier. Man, man say yo every day on the road, dog, and I'm some shit cause you can't I'm good meal like catch calic me, you know, get sick and thing. Okay, yes man say, come on. I'm still solid.
Stay far from me. Tell feelings me a par with energy. Me feel cool iceberg nice sea. Them people you no show love when me live. So tell the clients and the food now.
Hey, come on.
Tell them stuff for white and Fargo.
Yeah.
Tell Marge I get food now.
Yeah.
Tell the cap stuff for
calm down. I'm here, man. Yeah, man, gang. You remember when we reacted to the audio when the album just dropped, man? He dropped the video, bro. And this definitely deserve a video, man. Dope ass track, bro. I like this track. One of my favorite songs off the album. No cap.
Cool down. Tell Papa to stay far from me. Tell feelings me work with energy. Me feel cool iceberg nice sea. Them people and I show love when we live.
Come on.
swear it feel amazing.
Easy now.
Feel me song pan playlist.
Easy now.
Mama just call and I tell me she feel.
Man, that play song keep up with the dogs, man. Thing food I cook and thing dominate on table. You know what I'm saying? That's to show a good time in Ireland. You see me stay tell, you know, tell Pablo stay far from we, man. I want you to tell feelings I work with energy around here. Good energy only too. Come on.
If it's where me feel like bad, man, I know if I feel. And it feel amazing. Look how my dog them clean. Growing and growing, I'm going upstairs. This young nigga pan the girl, I give a fuck what you feel.
Oh, yeah, man.
Send the food now.
Yeah.
Tell himself a white
the Fargo. Yeah, man, say you don't care about your feelings, man. You know what I'm saying? Young nigga go through stages, bro. You see me? And it feels amazing. Just I try and grow and thing. You see me? I do my thing right now. I'm not care people after I want pre, man. You know what I'm saying, bro? Really dope trap, man. Come on.
Tell Marge I give food now. Tell the cap myself a cool down. Tell poverty stay far from me. Tell feelings me a boy with energy. My feel cool iceberg nice sea. Them people and I show love for me live dog. Sit down and I reminisce.
Easy now, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Real dope track, right? You know what I'm saying? He done dropped a solid project, solid tracks. Shout out to Pablo. I know that I feel good as a young juvie. I do him thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
For my family and them I live for. Nah, I drink nothing to them, I rather buy a cup of black. Thing off a cement, buy a cup of strap, dog. Come off a see them and them want some fire, some no right, no feel like my shop a Gucci, my dog.
Oh, if you see them and know they want some fall, some no shop a feel like my shop a Gucci, my dog. You know what I'm saying? Make it bun them, you know what I'm saying? Come on,
I got the course now my hands, so I buy up the thing that man could the fool, give my Glock. So tell the clients any food now.
Yeah, man, buy me thing them could not fool, give me Glock, man. Yo, my thing them, I'm tear my yacht. Easy now, man. Shout out to Pablo.
Tell himself a white, a Fargo. Tell Marge I give food now. Tell the cap yourself a calm down. Tell poverty stay far from me.
People, you know. Easy now, man.
Tell feelings me apart with
energy.
My feel cool iceberg nice sea.
Them people in the show love women.
Them people in the show love every day I just see them catch calic when I road ya. Ever firm stay solid, I'm a soldier. I feel learn, I'ma pay for the code ya. No fear, guns out when the coast at.
No, man.
Tell the poverty stay.
No fear, guns out when the coast at. I'm telling you, I'm saying, I'm telling you, we're not back down for nobody and come in, man.
Far from me. Tell feelings me a bar with energy. Me feel cool iceberg nice sea. Them people in a show love when me live. So tell the clients any food now. Tell himself a white a Fargo. Tell Marge I give food now. Tell the capper if you calm down.
Tear, man. All the cappers calm down. Sit down one side, man. Behave on yourself, man. Tear, man.
Tell poverty stay far from we. Tell feelings me a bar with
energy.
Me feel cool iceberg nice sea. Them people in a show love when me live.
Easy now.
Believe no man. Believe no man.
God show, man. Yeah, man. Dog, I do him thing, man. Shout out to you. Say believe, man. I need everybody in the chat to start to type believe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. For you know I got 10K and 100K and a million, man. Yo, want to everybody type believe in the chat, gang. You know what I'm saying? Do that right now. Type believe.
So tell the clients any food now. Tell himself a white a
Fargo.
Tell Marge I give food now. Tell the
Cap yourself a calm down. Yeah, man. There we go if you cool down. Come on. Believe. Everybody type believe in the chat right now, guys. Everybody type believe in the chat right now, gang. From you a day one, from you a real one, type believe in the chat right now, gang. Do it. Yeah, man. Shout out to your boy Juvie, man. Yeah, man, himself, man. Yeah, man. Pablo YG doing his thing, bro. Really dope track. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, dope track, dog. Tell us one of the better songs off the album. Really like the album. It's dope album. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you check it out. If you haven't, go check it out right now. And also, if you haven't seen my reaction, go check out my reaction, man. It's on the channel. It's on the live. Well, check it out over there, man. We lit over there, gang. You know what I'm saying? Now, make sure you check the description, link to the description, Discord. We lit on Discord, so make sure you check out that as well, gang. You know, we're going strong over here, man. Road to 10K, road to 100K, road to 1 million. We're not stopping. We're going to get this shit. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate all you, gang. You don't know, your boy Jambisco here now. More than a banger. Now he's done a smash and a bang. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.